more Skylander yesterday. But wait, I must show you guys all my Skylander I got that I haven't shown you guys. Where is it? There. So we start with. Oh, sorry. Okay, we start with that one I got for Christmas, but it was 3 months ago. But here it is. Wait. Here it is. Wait. Here is it. I don't remember what it's called. But it's glow in the dark. Then two I got yesterday. This bash. Very cool Skylander. Yeah. And this. Very cool. Dark Sparrow. So that was all, but we'll see you in the next video.